It's the day after Easter. I never filmed much yesterday. I just got a quick clip of when I was heading out to get chocolate to my coworkers. I'll show that in this video. Just heading out for a coffee. It is 4 degrees today. This morning when I got up, everything was white with snow again. It looked like Christmas outside, but it's all melted again, thankfully. Come on, camera focus. There we go. There, I got the bag of treats all ready for the guys. I'm running a little bit late. They get out at 7:45. It's 7:37. So I gotta get down there and get that to them before they leave. But the reason I'm running late, I had to get the dressing made, big bowl of dressing, and I got the turkey in the oven. Now all I got left is the vegetables. And then we'll open our presents from Easter. Well, made it here on time. They're not out yet. They're still in work to get off at 7:45, so I made it. So they'll get their Easter chocolate, then I'll go home and finish making my dinner. Got our coffees. I tried to film the price of gas here today, but every time I try, a vehicle would get right in front of the camera when I was filming, so I couldn't get it. But our gas has gone up to 183.9 today, so it went up 3 cents. Sorry I haven't been making much videos lately, guys. I haven't been doing much. Just catching up on my household work and taking down my Easter stuff and basic stuff like that. But this morning, I gotta go pick up my hubby from work. And I'm going to pick up a few grocery items while I'm downtown. So, I'll try to film them in the store. I don't know if you're allowed, but I'll take you guys along with me. If you don't hear my voice, you know that there's somebody around. Gotta get some alcohol and sinus pills. Good for a sinus headache. Gotta get some of them. $2 each. I'm just making myself a little snack. I thought I'd show you guys how I make a grilled cheese for myself, because everybody makes theirs different. Mine, I guess you would say, is weird, but I like it. It's really, really good. So first thing I gotta do is put some butter on those. Here I got some block cheese. I'm just gonna cut off some slices, put that on my bread. Okay, I got my cheese on there now. Now sometimes I'll put 2 and 3 different kinds of cheese on. Not all the time, every blue moon. But for now I'm just gonna put one kind of cheese on. And I'm going to next put on some fresh bacon bits on it. Okay, bacon bits are on. I spilled a few in the pan, but no worries about that. I'm not worried about that. Now next, I'm going to put on some dill weed. Yes, that sounds weird, but I seen it in a recipe one time, tried it, and I loved it. So I put dill weed on top of all my grilled cheese all the time. Now sometimes I'll take slices of fresh white button mushrooms and I'll slice it thinly and put it on there. Or chives. I'll put chives on that sometimes too. But today I'm just going to stick to the 3 things. Just bacon bits, cheese, and my dill weed. Okay. I put slots on it. I love dill weed on my thing. Here we go. Sorry about that. I tilted the camera too much. I love dill weed on my grilled cheese. Love it. So good. I know some of you are probably saying yuck, but I love it. And I put the other piece on. And just get it fried here now. There you go. Nice golden grilled cheese. I got it on a hand towel. That way it absorbs up any other grease that's on it. And then I put it onto a plate right after. So I'm going to have my grilled cheese.